On September 3, 2025, China showcased a stunning display of military technology, blending artificial intelligence, lasers, and hypersonic weapons to signal the future of warfare. This parade wasn't just a show of power, it was a glimpse into how science and technology are reshaping modern combat. Let's dive into the cutting-edge innovations that were unveiled.
Welcome to our breakdown of China's latest military parade. From AI-powered drones to high-powered lasers, the weapons on display revealed China's growing technological prowess. Today, we're focusing on the science and tech that made this possible. Let's start with artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is no longer just about smart software. It's now part of China's military might. The parade featured an array of AI-powered uncrewed vehicles that are capable of performing a variety of missions. These vehicles include reconnaissance drones, assault tanks, and even robotic wolves, which can work together in coordinated operations. These intelligent systems aren't just autonomous, they can adapt in real time. For example, uncrewed tanks can now operate in formation with robotic wolves, while small off-road vehicles launch drones for air-ground operations. Next up, laser weapons. These futuristic weapons are designed for precision strikes, offering an incredible advantage in both defensive and offensive combat. The parade showcased vehicle-mounted anti-drone lasers and shipborne laser weapons capable of neutralizing low-flying, slow-moving targets with ease. Laser weapons work by focusing high-energy beams to inflict damage. But here's the real innovation. Chinese scientists have developed new materials that allow these lasers to operate in extreme conditions without cooling systems. This is a game-changer for military operations in hot environments. Hypersonic missiles are another area where China is making incredible strides. These missiles, including the YJ-21 and DF-17, are capable of reaching speeds greater than 5 times the speed of sound, making them nearly impossible to intercept. Thanks to advancements in physics, air science, and missile engineering, China's hypersonic weapons can penetrate defenses and strike with high precision, further cementing China's position in the global arms race. The parade also featured unmanned underwater vehicles designed for stealth operations and advanced warfare at sea. These vehicles are capable of conducting reconnaissance, blocking targets, and even launching attacks, all while remaining nearly undetectable. These systems are a perfect example of how innovation in AI, robotics, and materials science is enabling new forms of warfare, both on land and beneath the waves. In addition to physical weaponry, the parade showcased China's growing capabilities in information warfare. This included advanced cyber systems designed to disrupt enemy networks and provide real-time electronic countermeasures. By mastering digital intelligence and electronic warfare, China is preparing to dominate not just the physical battlefield, but the digital one as well, making them a formidable adversary in any future conflict. Behind these technological marvels is groundbreaking scientific research. China's rise as a scientific powerhouse is rooted in physics, optics, and materials science, enabling innovations like high-powered lasers, advanced missiles, and AI systems. China's scientific community is rapidly advancing in fields like semiconductor research and aerospace technology. This research is helping to build the next generation of military technologies, giving China a significant edge on the global stage. As we've seen, China's military parade was more than just a show of strength. It was a demonstration of how science and technology are shaping the future of warfare. With advancements in AI, lasers, hypersonic missiles, and cyber capabilities, China is positioning itself as a leader in the next era of combat. What does this mean for global security? As these technologies continue to evolve, the nature of conflict will change, and the balance of power will shift. One thing is clear: the future of warfare is being written today.
Thank you for joining us in exploring the science behind China's military advancements. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest developments in global defense technology.